Hi guys, today I'm here with Victoria, my umbrella cockatoo, and she is in her 40s, and Victoria is a rescue parrot. I adopted her 2 years ago, and I'm so glad I did. There are so many birds out there, you guys, especially cockatoos, that need homes. They are given up because they are loud, they scream, they are messy, but that's not what this video is about. If you are thinking about bringing a bird into your home, think about adoption. But what this video is about, how to medicate your parrot without stressing them out. So last week, Victoria was not feeling well. She was not playing with her toys. She didn't want to go on her tree. She was sitting in the corner. So I, of course, became really worried because by the time a bird is showing signs of being ill, it usually is too late. Birds hide signs of sickness. So I was kind of shocked to see that happening. So I took her in. So glad I did. She had an infection. So her avian veterinarian prescribed her antibiotics. Antibiotics that was supposed to taste like bubble gum. So I went, "Hey, Victoria, ooh, we have your antibiotics." And I gave it to her from the syringe, and she spit it out. It was horrible. So my guys are not scared of syringes because we practice all the time. I'll put baby food in there. I'll put juice. I make a syringe something positive because you never know when your bird's going to get sick and you're going to have to use a syringe. So the best way to give them their medication is to mix it with something yummy in the syringe. So she didn't want the baby food because that's how horrible this medication was. I couldn't disguise it. Sometimes I'll use Jiffy. She is on a low-fat diet, so that was out of the question. But she loves, and every bird in this room loves their BENE-BAC probiotics, except for my African gray. Casey is picky, so that's the BENE-BAC probiotics. I love it. And I asked my avian vet if it was okay to mix it. He said absolutely. And he said, up the dose on probiotics. Give her double of whatever you're giving her. So that's what we're doing. And today I'm going to give her her medication. Victoria, first I'm going to get her attention. Look, what is this? Do you want your probiotics? Huh? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it here. You want it? And then I'm gonna put her medication into it. Nasty medication. It's so bad. It tastes so bad, you guys. And then I'm gonna go like this. You wanna come over here? Can you step up? No? Okay. You wanna take it? There we go. And she's taking it. Is it good? Yeah. Yummy. It's a good girl. Come here. There she is. There she is. There she is. Yeah. And she loves it. So this is an awesome way to give your birds their medication stress-free. So. Bailey's here! She's been watching us film the video, so she wanted to be in it. Did you find it helpful? Huh? Did you like it? Did you find it helpful? If you found our video helpful for you and your parrots, please like and subscribe to our channel, Parrot Playhouse. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Yes, thank you for watching. You're so cute. Whee!